Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine biting into a perfectly crispy, sweet treat that takes just minutes to prepare. Homemade cereal chunks are surprisingly easy to create, bringing a nostalgic joy with every bite. These delightful squares are not only a fantastic snack, but also incredibly versatile, letting you customize flavors to your heart's content. Get ready to impress yourself and others with this simple, satisfying recipe. Starting your cereal chunks journey is incredibly simple, requiring just a handful of everyday ingredients. First, pick your go-to crispy cereal. Something like rice or corn puffs works wonderfully. Then, you'll need a good quality butter and, of course, a fresh bag of fluffy marshmallows. For an extra layer of warmth and sweetness, a dash of vanilla extract is highly recommended. Gather these, and you are almost there. Achieving that perfect, sticky coating for your chunks is all about the melting and mixing. Start by melting your butter in a large pot over low heat, then add your marshmallows. Stir continuously until they transform into a smooth, gooey mixture, avoiding any scorching. Once fully melted, remove from the heat and swiftly add your cereal. Fold it in quickly and gently, ensuring every single piece gets generously coated with that delicious marshmallow goodness. Once your cereal is perfectly coated, it's time to give your chunks their form. Lightly grease a baking pan or line it with parchment paper for easy removal. Transfer the warm cereal mixture into the pan, and using a buttered spatula or your hands, press it down firmly and evenly. This ensures consistent thickness and a satisfying bite. Now, let them cool completely, allowing them to set and firm up before slicing into your desired shapes. Congratulations! Your incredible homemade cereal chunks are now perfectly set and ready for enjoyment. Carefully remove them from the pan and slice into inviting squares, or even use cookie cutters for fun shapes. Serve them immediately for a delightfully fresh treat. For an extra touch of indulgence, try drizzling with melted chocolate or sprinkle some colorful jimmies on top. Get ready to savor every single, satisfying bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.